In this video, we're going to learn how to download and install Clipchamp on your Windows. So Clipchamp is an open source video editor that you can use to record your screen and edit your videos completely free of charge. It is powered by Microsoft. So to access it, you can come to the search bar over here and just type Microsoft Store. And just like so, you should see it over here. You click on it. And then you can come to the search bar and just search for Clipchamp. Just like so, and hit on enter. You'll be able to see it over here. It is free. You can just go ahead, hover over it and click on get. And this is going to get Clipchamp and install it on your system. Okay, so right now it is installed, so you can click to open and you can start using it directly. So this is the main dashboard of Clipchamp. So you can just go ahead and start using it to create videos or create an AI video directly, or text to speech or anything. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.